and thank you for being here. Today we're going to practice candle gazing, which is a form of Trataka or focus meditation. This practice is cleansing and purifies our perspective. It helps with memory, concentration, and energizes the third eye and intuition. To prepare, set up a stand to place your candle at eye level. You can stack books, yoga blocks, whatever you have. You will also need an exposed flame candle like this, not a votive or a jar candle, a protective little plate, and of course, something to light your candle with. Next, grab a blanket or a meditation cushion. You can also sit in a chair and light your candle. Place your candle on your little tower and hit the lights. Get it as dark as you can so that the flame is the only thing. Take your seat and let's begin. Bring your hands to heart center and close your eyes. Set your intention. Call in your guides and ancestors or any other helping spirits you work with. A beautiful intention for wintertime is to brighten your inner light and the light that you cast on your community. Set your hands down and slowly open your eyes, gazing at the candle. Allow your eyes to adjust. Stinging and tearing are normal reactions. Deepen your breath and soften the muscles of your jaw, forehead, and the skin around the eyes. Steady your gaze on the candle and try to avoid blinking. Tears will flow. This is part of the purification process. Allow it to happen. Wipe away the tears if you need to, but try to keep the eyes open and on the flame. Let your breath be soft, lingering gently in the pauses between breaths. As your focus deepens, it might seem like darkness is closing in on you and the flame. Know that you are safe. Breathe and relax. I will leave you to it for a few minutes. And now, taking a deep breath, close the eyes. Focus on the after image of the flame at the point between the eyebrows, the light of your intuition. Notice your breath. As you inhale, affirm I, and as you exhale, affirm am. Breathe gently and without sound, letting the mantra ride on your breath. I am. I am. I am. And now release the mantra. Forget the breath and keep the flame at your third eye space. Breathe naturally. Stay here. Start to deepen the breath. Bring your hands together at heart center and bow to your fingertips, feeling the effects of your practice. Reaffirm your intention and thank your guides and ancestors. Now, rubbing the palms together, create some friction and heat. Cup the hands over your eyes and breathe. A final loving gesture to yourself. Gently release and blink the eyes open. I hope you enjoyed this Trataka meditation. Feel free to explore longer periods of candle gazing and meditations with your third eye. Thank you for sharing your light and time with me today. I love you. Namaste.